shift, swerving on the 405. I can never keep my eyes.
I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit in silence.
When that feeling of your sour flips illuminated in the light, bouncing off the exit side, I miss. All we do is drive, all we do is think about the feelings that we hide. All we do is sit in silence, waiting for a sign, sick and full of pride. All we do is try. In California never felt like home to me. In California never felt like home. In California never felt like home to me. Until I had you on the open road and I was singing.
I ponder of something terrifying, cause this time there's no sound to hide behind. To find over the course of our human existence, one thing consists of consistence, and it's that we're all battling fear. Oh dear, I don't know if we know why we're here. Oh my tutti, please stop thinking. I liked it better when my car had sound.
Your laugh echoes down the highway, calls into my hollow chest, spreads over the emptiness. It's this. It's so simple, but we can't say overanalyze again. Would it really kill you if we
I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit
all we
in
do is
silence.
drive, all we do is think about the feelings that we hide. All we do is sit in silence, waiting for a sign, sick and full of pride. All we do is drive. In California never felt like home to me. In California never felt like home. In California never felt like home to me. Until I had you on the open road and I was singing. California never felt like home to me. In California never felt like home. In California never felt like home to me. Until I had you on the open road and I was singing.
I ponder of something great. My lungs will fill and then deflate. They fill with fire.